Last day for these freedom fighters to be in the brooder inside. They're moving outside today if everything goes their way. This is some freshly raised greens that they love to munch on. And I love to bless them with. They will pick this apart piece by piece. The key is you turn it sideways once you get it where you want it. And it just stays right there, and the chickens, they'll love it. Up, they pulled it in. It's going to be shredded in a second. If not forgot about in the past. Eat it. Somebody's going to have a snack. We're sitting at 39 degrees with our totally full Eggo Maniacs. They poppin' big time.